PureMix Connect 3+1 Vario is an innovative dispenser for Purena juices and drinks, available in standard and under-counter tower versions. The Vario dispenser makes work easier and improves the quality of customer service. The new devices use a 10-inch touchscreen, which is even more readable and has a faster response time. This is an ideal solution for hotels, bistros and restaurants. Thanks to the large format of concentrates in BagInBox 6 kg boxes, much greater efficiency has been achieved. Additionally, compatibility with 2.5 kg Doypack sachets is maintained. An option of intuitively setting product parameters has been added to obtain the preferred quantity and taste. Moreover, from now on, you can verify the effects of the settings much easier and faster, thanks to the test option. The Vario 3+1 dispenser is distinguished by its modern design. The ability to choose a variety of side panels allows you to precisely adapt the design of the device to the design needs of any interior. The under-counter version of Vario Tower is not only attractive in appearance, but above all optimizes the buffet space. An additional advantage is the ability to easily adjust the height of the pourer, depending on the height of the glass, carafe or jug. Placing the device under the countertop facilitates quick replacement of products. Using the Vario device means not only facility of use and increased efficiency, but also improvements in the control of product consumption and rotation. You gain easy access to automatic reports on portion consumption and service information. If you want more, check our website purena.uk.